It's Bruce at the Brantford train station, and we have an eastbound freight here, and the VIA is going to get me. They're just about to leave. That's frustrating, but it is what it is. 3005. I haven't heard a train number, but I heard something like 628 axles. And here comes the stupid VIA train to block my video. I hear it dinging already. That is so frustrating that it has to happen at the same time. Oh well, it is a train meet, as frustrating as it is. So with 628 axles, I think I heard, and one lead locomotive, I would really expect to see a DPU. Here it comes. $29.35. I have not heard a train number. Maybe I will. Who knows? Get a shot of them going around the bend there.